Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a rectangle. Then, none this fill color, pick up the stroke color and increase the stroke value. Now we take line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Do same thing again. Now select those line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust perfectly. Select this line, press delete. Select this line, press delete. Now you take line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Hold Alt plus Shift and draw the line. Again hold Alt plus Shift and draw another line. Do same thing again. Now select this line and press delete. Select all and take shape builder tool and cut all unnecessary part. Now select all and increase the stroke value. Again we take shape builder tool and join the path. Select all, go to object and expand. Go to Pathfinder and unit. Select this, go to object, path, offset path and discrete this size, preview it, then OK. Select discrete size and change the color. We can use gradient color for more attractive. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.